No, comrades, it is a morning. Ngithi ngithathe le thuba leli ngikhulume with our brothers and sisters from Zimbabwe. Our brothers and sisters from Zimbabwe to say isikhathi manje sokuthi nikwele ekhaya no deal another president, that dictator obizwa umnangagwa ubani. Because of, another thing that I would see our African brothers and sisters from Zimbabwe, you would see them marching against the South African government. But manje, I think if there's ever been the time where they need to march against the government, is the government of Zimbabwe, where they come from. So it can't be that in Zobane Spindi so march against the government, but angeke nibe nesibindi sokumarcha against a dictator enhluphekisayo eZimbabwe. So right now we call even ama-billionaire, ama-millionaire, our Zimbabwe to say please invest, please make sure ukuthi organize amabhasi so that our Zimbabwean brothers and sisters, they can go and remove the dictator called Mnangagwa or Ban. I'm not sure even about the name. So it can't be that here in South Africa, when the South African government or our South African brothers and sisters are calling you into order, you would want to march against, because of in South Africa there's a democracy, but yet you would never want to march against your own government that is led by that dictator called Mnangagwa. So our African, our brothers and sisters from Zimbabwe, please, go and deal with that guy. Go and deal with him.